Previously on AFR.
The next gift that I got is this is a perfume. What does that say? Marc Jacob Daisy. Guys, this scent too really bomb. Really bomb. I love this. Guys, look, can you see it? Yes, you can. Look at where it's at. Guys, look how cute the top is. Don't fall, babes, don't fall. This is love. So yeah, this one is Marc Jacobs Daisy. Also fresh, I guess. But yeah, this one bomb. The next gift that I got is can you tell what it is? What it says on there? Oh, it's the place. Is it this way? Oh yeah. Ta-da! I got a necklace set, y'all. So it's the necklace right here with the matching earrings. I really love these. If you know me, you know that I'm always accessorized. Is that a thing? Even if it's not a thing, I'm gonna make it a thing. I'm always in accessories, trying to look cute and whatever. So I really appreciate the fact that I got the necklace with the earrings. These are super cute. I really love the next gift that I got is you know what time it is. You literally know what time it is. Guys, if you know me, you know that I love me some freaking Casio. Like, oh my god. I'm just ripping this stuff apart. I'm not even showing you guys properly, but I'm not trying to remove it from the things as yet because I have yet to get it adjusted to fit my tiny ass hands. But there y'all go. I got me some Casio in gold. I have the silver right here. Guys, let me tell you, if I ever become famous, I am definitely copying me Casios, like Rolexes, Richard Mille, whatever the other watches are. I'm not saying that I won't get any of those, but these are still gonna be my babies because like my hands are tiny, so I feel like these just complements my hands more. I hate the fact that with these Casio you can't remove the excess band, but other than that, or can I? But either ways, these are my babies. I love Casios. Before I started wearing these kind, I was wearing the thicker bands. I really love those too, but after a while I wasn't able to find the ones that I really liked. So I drifted from those a little bit and started wearing these. Those bands, they were my OGs. They were my original Casio. If you've ever like seen my, even on my late pictures, I do have Casios on. Those were my babies. Those were the OGs, if you know me. But searching for them, I couldn't find them, so I just started drifting to these type. But yeah, I'm about to adjust these and start rocking them with my gold accessories. Period. The next gift that I got is be careful, be careful. Hey, 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 hey. Pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it. So I got some wine, y'all. Let me try to pronounce these freaking names for y'all, but Bertrioso, period. Reservado, period. Merlot, period. I cracked my freaking self up, but I got some of these wine, y'all. I'm holding it properly. I don't know if you guys can see it well, but yep. I already started drinking some of this. To die freaking for. I don't know if I'm a wine person or if I'm a rum person, but I definitely love these. In the package as well, I got a little card. It says, especially for you on your birthday, best wishes, happiness always. Wishing you a birthday far better than the rest. Someone as special as you are deserve the very best. Bonjour. This what's one? Oui, oui. This next and final gift that I got is what is it? Ta-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da. This girl was trying her best to make this so freaking cute. I'm not gonna say this is my all-time favorite gift because I would basically be biased, but I wanted one of these for the longest because I've been seeing people on TikTok reviewing these, people that has very kinky, nappy, natural hair like mine. So hopefully this is what it is about. Hopefully this is what it is about, and it works, the magic that I'm seeing that it's doing on TikTok and all them good stuff, because girl, I'm gonna be so disappointed if it's not about what it says it is about according to the TikToks that I've been watching. I don't know, but yay! Yeah, I cannot wait to use this. I really hope I'm gonna do a video for you guys so you'll know if it's really what it says it is. But yeah, I really messed with this gift because, like I said, I wanted for the longest. So that's all the gift that I have for you guys today. That is it from me in today's video. If you've reached this far in the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and leave some positive feedbacks. Also follow me on all my social media platforms at AYAFARRR. That is IFR with 3 R's. Anything you're on, I'm on there with that name. Snapchat, Instagram, Periscope, OVO, peanut butter, jelly. Anything you're on, I'm on there with that name. If I'm not on there, comment on my thing and be like, Rafaya, why aren't you here, girl? And trust and believe, I'm going to be over there. But yeah, that is it for me in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Words can't express how grateful I am for you guys, for the love and the continuous support. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Will the real